Hey, in this video, I will show you how to delete a Clubhouse account or a Clubhouse account delete tutorial in 2021. It works the same way, by the way, on any iPhone and on any Android device. And I've updated the method for March of 2021. So if this video helped you out, you can actually go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm because each like helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you are new, and also, hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. You can have them in the comment section. I'll try to get back to them ASAP. And also, let me know in the comment section which country are you watching this video from. I really want to know that. I'm curious because I've seen people from all over the world watching these videos, and it really motivates me to keep on going. So what you want to do is actually open up the Clubhouse app, and from there you want to dismiss if there's any notices. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner, then click on the settings at the top right corner again, settings bar. From there you want to click on FAQ or contact us. A Notion website will open up. You want to go down a little bit down again, and then there should be a contact option. If there isn't, you can actually, how do I start a club? How can I change my username? There should be another option to contact them directly somewhere around here. How can I change my phone number? Let's click on one of the other options. I'm new to Clubhouse. How can I get an access? Can I but they never got it. Help. We go down. Here it is, contact us. You want to click on contact us here, and from there you want to add in your email, username on Clubhouse, the topic that you want to delete your account. So you can choose my account and profile. You can select your account. Summary would be account deletion, and then what can we help you with? You want to type in that you would like to stop using Clubhouse for now and just delete your account. And another thing you can do after that is just remove the app altogether. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next video.